All right, here's another article. RIP piracy on YouTube. I don't know if you have seen any of this yet, but have you ever had a copyright issue on YouTube?
Where people took my videos and reposted?
Anything related to copyright?
No.
Nothing major?
No.
Do you no music that you used or an image that showed up in a video?
Oh, I did.
Oh, okay.
One time I had like a picture.
That's crazy. I had that too. One single frame.
I took a picture and I was like using the picture to show like detail on some laptop screen. Like look at the resolution of this screen. And the guy who took the photo was like, "That's my photo. And you're not allowed to use it." So I was like, "Okay, what's the solution here?" He's like, "You can buy it. You can buy the rights to use it for like $5." I was like, "All right." So it was an easy resolution. But I mean, technically
$5 is a bargain, man.
Or like $8, whatever it was. It was very inexpensive.
Yeah, I think that guy, that's a fair.
Yeah, that's perfectly
I think
fair.
that's a fair exchange, but oftentimes it doesn't go that way.
Right.
Oftentimes it can.
You got to pull the video.
It can be more problematic than that.
Right.
Anyway, YouTube is aiming to make a lot of that a thing of the past by having a pre-screening. So you probably experienced, well, maybe you haven't, but if you upload something, like see this show, we have all this media coming from the screen.
Right.
You never
know.
Sometimes we play a video, and so we have a lot more experience with it. But what's cool here is now there's a check system actually along the uploader after details, after video elements, which is called checks. And this is where YouTube tells you, we'll check your video for any copyright issues that may restrict its visibility.
Interesting.
You'll have the opportunity to fix any issues before publishing your video, because that's really the problem.
Yes.
That the issue comes out after you publish it. Like that dude could have asked you for 500.
Right.
I mean, I'm not making any suggestions.
Right.
I don't think you should do that, but once it's uploaded,
yeah,
it's a real problem to take it down.
Yeah.
Right. You're basically done with it. You can't re-upload it.
Yeah.
The audience is not going to watch it.
Yeah.
And never mind if you had a sponsor in a video or something like
Right.
this. There's a very problematic situation.
Right.
Now, granted, I don't think this would have caught your picture. I think this is mostly looking for music.
Right.
Music and video, I would guess. But it's still, I think it's kind of cool in the sense that it could probably eliminate a certain number of potential copyright issues. And I like those types of improvements.